let's do this, guys. Hello, Hippo. Goodbye, Bird. By Kristyn Crow. Bird wants to be Hippo's friend. Hippo wants to be left alone. Bird makes a great hat for Hippo. He tells hilarious Hippo jokes. He keeps the bugs away. Lunch. Hippo wants birds to go away. But then the sky gets darker and darker. Thunder crashes all around. Maybe Hippo could use a friend. Okay, let's do this, guys. Hello, Hippo. Goodbye, Bird. For the great Rick Walton, mentor and friend, Casey, to Paula, together we make a great team, baby. Hello, Hippo. Go away. But you need a bird like me. I'm a great hat. Oh, check this out. I'm a hippopotamus. Also take jokes. Wanna hear one? Get off my head! Ahoy, matey! Never fear, your umbrella is here. Goodbye, Bird! And in he goes. Goop, 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 goop. Oh! You can't breathe underwater. He's gone. Good. What do we do now? I don't know. Wait a minute. It's you. Hello, Hippo. Goodbye, Bird. And finally, Hippo is happy. He's all by himself, enjoying the nature and everything. Okay, he's troubled by birds now. Well. Hello, Hippo. Ooh, that sounds like an invitation to lunch. Gum. There, you are bug free and I'm stuffed. Don't we make such a great team? For the last time, goodbye, Bird. Kaboom! Oh no, what was that? Bird? Bird, you there? Bird, you can come back now. I need an umbrella. Now he needs an umbrella. Hello, Bird? Bird! It's not raining anymore. Oh, admit it. You need an umbrella. You missed me. Nope. I told you, we make a great team. So what is a hippo's favorite thing to sit on? I don't know. A pesky bird? His hippopotamus! What a cute little short story, guys. Well, Hippo wants Bird to go away, but they make such a great team, and he does understand it every once in a while. Well, this is dedicated to all our sweet, caring, loving, and knowing best friends. Hello, Hippo. Hello, Hippo. Goodbye, Bird. Well, thank you so much for tuning in, guys.